Hello, I'm a big company asshole, and I work for YouTube. Hi, how are you doing? Pleased to meet you. Please, don't stand up. Stay down. Come on. We are not. Come on. Wait. Stay where you are. Okay. I have a proposal for you. I'm part of the YouTube group network. I am an idiot, Fanny, asshole. Let's continue. What we're doing, okay? Alright. I've just come out of a meeting, and in this meeting we've been explaining how we're going to improve YouTube. Yes, how we're going to improve YouTube. And in this thing we thought, okay, I got an idea, and it worked. It did. Right, so here's what we're proposing. You can win $10,000. You have to be American. Sorry, anyone from out there who isn't American. It's American only. Or we have to also only be from the state of Utah. If that's how it's pronounced. Is it Utah? Well, yeah, and you've got to be there for at least 25 years. You have to have at least been there for 25 years and have proof. And you can't submit it unless you're over 29 and etc. But there's the competition. If you can create your very own Samsung advert, you know the mobile phone, that fantastic Phantasmo mobile phone, that mobile phone that no other mobile phone can out-mobile phone, because this phone is the only phone that anyone will use. Phone, that's the mobile phone, Samsung. If you can create an advert, a banner, an advertising banner, a banner or something to do with advertising Samsung a little bit, put it into the group and we'll give you $1,000. So you do that, and while you're at it, check out our other groups. We have advertising Virgin Mobile. You like Virgin Mobile, don't you? Well, Virgin Mobile, I know you like Virgins, don't you? Virgin Mobile, easy as this. All you have to do is say how you like Virgin Mobile in 81 books. 81 books, and you can win yourself $15,000 and everything else that you can think of if you're from the state of Utah. So why not? Hurry up, come on. We almost forgot, didn't we? Yes, TNA Wrestling. TNA Wrestling is almost the very #1, second, third worst subscriber. So don't hesitate in subscribing to CNN, is it CNN? No, NBC and TNA Wrestling. Come on. I mean, they're all fake. So let's get it done. Let's get it done. Right? Come on. Good ideas. Good ideas. And meanwhile, we'll ignore the spam, because that's what we do here at AmaTube. You know? That's why we named it that, for crying out loud. Okay. But you may not think I'm doing too good so far, so why don't you sit down and plan out the future of YouTube? And while you're at it, there's those new Sony TVs coming out with a group beside it and a competition where you can win yourself a Sony TV if you're from the state of Utah. So now you need to put down a little picture and a creative video with the Sony TV that hasn't been released yet in it, so that we can have an idea what we're working with. I mean, how good it's going to be, and we can give you that TV that you made, that we'll make, that's made. So don't hesitate with these groups. The competitions are completely legit. We're not advertising. We don't pick up phones and go 25 years of this. We're not that kind of people. Those are advertisers. We are like advertising banks. We take all the things that advertise and just hold hands. And there's no advertising. Huh? None at all. And to prove it, we want you to make a group of how YouTube doesn't advertise. And the winner, I mean this, the winner will get an autographed CD by Paris Hilton. How's that? Eh? How is that? No advertising for me. No advertising for me. No advertising for me. 'Cause I'm a YouTube buster, funny moron, and I'm telling you Oh, there's no advertising on YouTube. There is no advertising.
Give me a bloody break. YouTube with no advertising. It's like saying something smart that I can't think up right now. Isn't it? Well, isn't it? Sorry, I was on vacation. I just saw the Scotsman put a couple of videos up while I was away. So I thought I'd make a funny video. So, I swear to God, if this video gets featured, I'm going to laugh my ass off at YouTube for featuring it, because it's blatantly making fun of you, you bunch of idiots! Thank you.